Welcome to Ek Samvad at Aruni Mankuran. Today we are having a conversation with Chef Mrinalini Ramteke on the occasion of International Chef's Day, that is October 20th. Our guest Mrinalini Ramteke is an academic chef. She works at the Government Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Nagpur. A very warm welcome to you and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
It's a pleasure. A word about Aruni Mankuran. Aruni Mankuran is an initiative for positive social change through self-development. The goal is greater well-being and happiness for all. At Aruni Mankuran, we believe that each person is unique and special in some way, that each person can make a difference, that each person can create an impact, and that's what inspires us to keep going. So, October 20th is International Chef's Day. It is celebrated every year. This year's theme is Food Explorers. International Chef Day is a day for chefs to pass on their knowledge and skills to the next generation. Chefs around the world have inspired the next generation to explore fresh, local, and seasonal ingredients, nurture their love for food, the planet, and discover the joys of cooking, healthy eating, and sustainable practices. So, this year's theme being Food Explorers, we are so grateful that Mrinalini has joined us here today. So, I think the first question we'd like to ask you is why is International Chef's Day celebrated? Yes.
Thank you so much for inviting me on this platform. Well, International Chef Day is celebrated annually on October 20th, and this time's theme is Food Explorers. The day is basically dedicated to recognizing the hard work and creativity of chefs worldwide. And it was initiated by the World Association of Chefs Societies in the year 2004 to promote culinary arts and raise awareness about the profession. And the organization aims to inspire a lot of people to appreciate this art of cooking and the roles the chefs play in shaping the food culture. And on this day, chefs participate in various cooking competitions, workshops, and events to showcase their skills basically. And I just said that it's just to raise the awareness about the profession. It's a very responsible profession, rather, I can say. A lot of responsibilities are there on the chefs, basically. Yes, ma'am.
Thanks for sharing that. And Mrinalini also talked to us now about how did Mrinalini end up coming into this space.
Right. After my 12th, my father said to me that instead of going into engineering and medical, because at our times there were only two professions which were like recommended by parents and all, but my father had some foresight or he had some different beliefs. So he said that why not to go in some different kind of profession where you can express yourself. So I joined this course then. I joined the course. I joined a 4-year degree course in hotel management. I did it from Tirupudi College of Hotel Management, Nagpur. And after that, I did my PG post graduation in travel and tourism. And then immediately I joined academics. And during my academics, I did my master's in hotel management. And that's how the journey began. I'd been mentoring a lot of students in the culinary arts and in different skills regarding kitchens and all.
Okay, that's interesting. So, the most basic question, who is a chef and how is it different from someone regular who's cooking?
Absolutely. Well, in our chef profession, we say that you should cook like a grandma.
Oh,
Okay.
that's so
जैसे
sweet.
हमारे, yeah, of course, you should cook like a grandma. And you have to be disciplined like a army man. You have to be disciplined like an army man. You should cook like your grandma, and you should follow all the strict rules. Basically, we deal with food, right? एंड जो खाना हम ग्रहण करते हैं वो हमारे शरीर के अंदर जा रहा है, वो किस मनस्थिति से बनाया गया है, ठीक है, आगे वाले ने उसको किस मनस्थिति से बनाया है और जो ग्रहण करने वाला है वो किस मनस्थिति से ग्रहण कर रहा है, ये बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी होती है। तो जब हम खाना बनाते हैं, खाना बनाते वक्त जैसे हम एक भगवान की पूजा अर्चना करते हैं उस तरीके से खाने को ट्रीट करना चाहिए। लाइक यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द प्लेस फर्स्ट, like you have to keep it very clean and hygienic. Then the next thing, whatever the vegetables and fruits and the different things you are getting in, you need to have them fresh, absolutely fresh. Then the cooking area, the equipments and all, you need to have the technical knowledge and all. Everything has to be, means that is why these chefs, they are different from regular cooks, right? So I'll first come to the regular key responsibilities and then I'll talk on that.
Sure.
So basically the key responsibilities of a chef is, number one is food preparation, preparing and cooking the meals to the highest standards, ensuring presentation and quality. Second important thing is the menu planning. Means like in our homes, our mom, mother, grandmother, they used to think about everyone's choices, right? So you, before you plan the menu, you need to know whom you are going to serve. Are they really going to like the food or not? So considering all the factors like seasonality, the dietary requirements, and the preferences of the customer and all that, that is how the menu is planned. Then the next thing is kitchen management, like overseeing all the kitchen operations, managing the staff, then maintaining a clean and safe working environment is also very important. Means like when we compare it to our regular kitchen, we also ensure whether our store is filled or not, whether our gas cylinder is filled or not, where everything appliances is working or not. So in a huge scale, it's a big responsibility basically. Then most important is quality control, ensuring high quality dishes, monitoring the food safety and hygiene standard is very important because most of the diseases which are there existing, they are foodborne. And if you don't handle the food in proper way, you're definitely going to have that kind of disease. And next is the creativity and innovation is very important. Developing new recipes, menus, and presentation styles, and all is very, very, very important. And the roles a chef plays apart from these responsibilities and all is that a proper leadership should be there. You need to motivate the staff continuously because see, we stand for hours together.
Yes.
Yes, we stand for hours together. We have to be on our foot. हमको ऐसा कहा जाता है कि आप एक ब्रिगेड हो. You have to be kitchen brigade. Yes, आपको हमेशा तत्पर रहना है काम के लिए. जो भी बताया जाता है, you have to. मतलब कुछ आलस नहीं करना है. Then creativity बहुत जरूरी है. One of the roles is creativity. Bringing creativity and innovation to the menu development and presentation is there. Then problem solving means troubleshooting the issues with the food, the equipment, the staff. Means ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ खाना गड़बड़ हो गई है तो खाने को ही ठीक करो, ऐसा नहीं. किसी एम्प्लॉय का मूड भी खराब हो गया तो उसको भी ठीक करो. That is also, yeah, yes. And then customer service, interacting with the customers, taking their feedbacks. That is very, very important because we need to ensure utmost customer satisfaction, right? And very, very important role is time management. Means if you are serving for suppose a school children's canteen and if they children eat at 12 and you are not prepared, you are not able to serve, then there is the system will just go in crisis. So time management is very, very important. Managing time effectively to meet the deadlines is very, very important. Then there are other specialized roles, like if they are in like very good restaurants and all, they have their executive chefs are there, sous chef is there, line cooks are there, pastry chefs and all that. And coming to the question that how a professional chef is different from a cook. So let me first talk you about cook. Basically, a regular cook gets a very informal training, right? रेगुलर कुक को बहुत एक इनफॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग होता है, उसकी बहुत बेसिक स्किल्स होती है, जैसे कि कटिंग चॉपिंग करना, और वो एक रेसिपी फॉलो करता है. वॉट एवर द रेसिपीज हैज बीन गिवन, he follows that recipes and he prepares the food whatever had been told to him. And he is basically task oriented. He focuses only on completing the task, such as cooking, the preparation work and all, and cleaning and all. And his major role is basically supporting role is there. But when we talk about a professional chef, number one, he or she is having a professional training. Typically it holds he or she holds a culinary degree or a diploma from a culinary school. Second thing is he or she must be having advanced skills in cooking techniques, the knife skills, then the knowledge of various flavor profiles. Then he or she must know about the nutrition, what food gives what kind of nutrition. Then of course about the food safety. Then the next thing is again the creativity, innovation. He needs to create the original recipes, menus, and all. And of course, leadership and management, which I just discussed with you. And attention to detail is very, very important.
Okay.
So this is how they are different. Key differences are these only. Means level of expertise is the key difference. Then the creativity, regular cooks lacks it, whereas a chef has a more creativity, and the sense of responsibility is more on a professional chef. So basically, he or she is a skilled culinary expert who brings creativity, innovation into the kitchen.
So, give us an example from your own life, like when you started learning, and since you've been a topper throughout the training that you had, what is it that Mrinalini really enjoys about being a chef?
Well, let me tell you one thing. First, when I joined the Culinary Institute, I was given a different subject. Right, I was given with rooms division, means which take care of housekeeping and front office. Right, so I was first 5-6 years I taught that only. Means I although my profile and I had very good marks in food and beverage. Okay, but I was selected for accommodation. Of course, they must be having that vacant post for accommodations. So I taught the subjects there. But when I joined the government institute, I had to plunge into the food production. That was very new for me, right? Well, we used to keep on like हम तो खाना तो बना ही लेते हैं घर पर, मम्मी के साथ में बैठो या हाँ, वो तो हम बना ही लेते हैं ना, उसमें कुछ मतलब ये है ही नहीं, हम तो बना ही लेते हैं खाना. बट एक कलनरी इंस्टीट्यूट में खाना बनाना इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. एंड हमारा बचपन से ही एक ऐसा मतलब मेरे फादर एक ऑर्गेनिक फार्मर है मैम, एंड माय मदर वाज अ बैंकर, दोनों भी अभी रिटायर्ड है. और फादर ने ना बचपन से ये चीज मतलब इम्बाइब करी है कि नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक ये इतना दिमाग में घुसा हुआ है कि केमिकल ये सारी चीजें मुझे पड़ती ही नहीं है.
ओके,
लाइक द रेगुलर चीजें तो चलती ही है प्रोफेशनल कुकिंग में एंड ऑल दैट. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विथ माय जर्नी आई मीन्स मैंने ऐसा सोच लिया कि आई हैव टू गेट इनटू दिस एंड आई हैव टू give it back to the society, and I have to give it back to the students that these are certain moral values which you have to imbibe when you cook. Means you have to eat seasonal, you have to eat local. जैसे अभी जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी का चल रहा है, जमाने पहले मेरे फादर ने हमको पहले से ही बताया ये चीज. उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा सा एग्जाम्पल बताया था मैम, वो मैं अभी भी स्टिल आई गिव इट टू माय स्टूडेंट्स दैट इफ यू ईट मैदा बन लाइक रिफाइंड फ्लावर का बन अगर आप खाते हो, if you eat a refined flour bread and if you eat a normal chapati, the difference, you can see the difference, right, in you only. And do one thing, you put it into earth. You just put it into earth for some safe 7 days, and you just dig it out. You will find that maida bun over there only, but you won't find that chapati. Why? Because if insects cannot eat that
Hmm.
refined flour thing, why humans are eating it,
Hmm.
right? So yeah, तो वो चीजें अभी भी है, and I keep on telling students that nowadays it's like future is about all convenience food, ma'am. Means
Right.
everything is getting into packets, right from sauces, gravies, everything. But I still believe that whatever you prepare fresh,
Hmm.
that gives excellent taste.
Hmm.
I never use any food color, although all commercial hotels and all.
Ah.
Yes, I never use.
Hmm.
Yes, all commercial hotels and restaurants, they do use this food colors and all.
Hmm.
But I never use it, and I always tell my students also that whenever mentoring them, I just tell them that use some artificial, don't use any artificial colors, use natural colors. And I'm very proud to say that many of my students, some are bartenders, some are in barista, some are in kitchen. One of my students has opened a sustainable food truck.
Hmm.
He,
Okay.
yeah, yes, he is in US, and he got fascinated by that sustainability and organic and natural food, that he, it was his motive. He उसने अपने vision board पे लिख लिया था कि मुझे तो एक food truck खोलना है, and that too all nothing in artificial, nothing chemical and all that. So what I feel that I have a very big responsibility. I always believe that, and I keep on learning also, ma'am.
Hmm.
आई फील दैट लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप्स. मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया नया सीखते रहती हूँ, because nowadays the Gen Zs, they are excellent.
Hmm.
They are like, they know everything.
Hmm.
So everything is available for them. What else extra you can give?
That is
That is more important.
correct.
Yes, that is more important. Means if anybody wants to know how to use a knife, or how to use an oven, or how to make
Hmm.
chicken, or how to make cake, everything is available. But what about the values? Who is going to teach them the values? Who is going to tell them this is right or this is wrong? So being an educator and plus this in culinary field, I really feel very much responsible about all these things, and I really enjoy that, man. I really enjoyed that, and I'm proudly say my students are fond of me.
That's wonderful.
Yeah,
Pradhani, just now you said that you're not using so much of the chemical and stuff. तो
yeah,
आपका जो unique thing that you're bringing to this profession, in your own way, the creativity
yes,
Pranalini brings, थोड़ा हम लोग को उसके बारे में डिटेल में बताइए.
definitely, ma'am. अभी मैंने कल ही वो चीज करी है. Um, I have stopped using gluten thing, means चपाती तो मैं खाती भी नहीं हूँ, खाती हूँ कभी कभी, but I don't use refined flour.
Hmm.
I don't use sugar.
Hmm.
Okay, you
Hmm.
won't find any kind of chemical in my recipes. I have like yesterday only I have made a jawar cake, cupcake,
Hmm.
and yes, I use for sweetening I use jaggery,
Hmm.
or I use dates.
Okay.
Okay, yes, and no maida, no refined flour at all, either jawar
Hmm.
or wheat flour, that will do. So
अच्छा.
I do use it, yes, and sugar to बिल्कुल नहीं, because there are certain things which I have realized over the time that the things which are really not necessary for us, we should not take it.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And अभी ऐसा है ना, we have a very moral responsibility on our shoulders to tell these things to coming generations about the food basically.
Hmm.
कि तुम क्या खाओगे तो तुम क्या बनोगे.
Hmm.
Means the kind of binge eating this young generation is doing. They're not very much aware about the food they eat. So I keep on telling in my, like, although it's not part of the syllabus or curriculum and all, but I keep on telling them whatever the chips you eat in that Lays and all, it is deep fried in charbi of this thing. Pig की चर्बी में, लाड में, pig की चर्बी में उसको तला जाता है. And that is why it is so cheap, and that is why you feel it very tasty. I keep on telling them, and they are like, oh, seriously? Yes, that is the fact.
Hmm.
That is the fact. It happens. ऐसा होता है. And whenever you eat any Chinese food outside, if it is made in a really proper way, then it is fine. But the amount of MSG they use, the monosodium glutamate, it is very, very harmful, man. It is very, very harmful, but it's a taste enhancer. And most of the growing children, they like the taste of why these people like Maggie and all. बच्चों को मैगी क्यों पसंद है ज्यादा? Because it is having MSG into it. उनको बाहर का ही खाना क्यों ज्यादा पसंद आता है? Because they definitely add this MSG. It is a flavor enhancer. हमें उसका लत लग जाती है कि नहीं यही खाना है, यही खाना है, उसके सिवा दूसरा कोई दाल चावल घर का अच्छा ही नहीं लगता. ऐसा भी होता है. So being in this profession, not only the things which are in syllabus or curricula, I keep on telling these things also to my mentees. Yes,
So it
ma'am.
was very interesting, and it's almost like an eye opener कि बिल्कुल sugar के बिना भी cooking हो सकती है. So
Yes.
for the benefit of everyone who's listening in, Mrinalini, share some tips that the ordinary person who's not trained as a chef like you are, but they can also implement those strategies.
Like in cooking?
Yes.
Okay. I myself, I'm a chai lover. Okay. I like my tea to be, and with milk. There are a lot of myths that you should drink tea with milk, without milk, and all. Everything is that is it's okay. But इतने सालों से जो चाय पीते आ रहे हैं, तो मैं तो चाय पीती हूँ, but I use good instead of sugar.
Okay.
Then yesterday I made puran poli, and I purely used jaggery into it. And to flavor it, like jaggery gives a little bit bitter flavor after it is cooked and all. So just to enhance the flavor, I added some cardamom and nutmeg. तो मैं add करते ही हैं, but I added saffron milk a little bit. So it gave an excellent flavor to that. If you want to make some mithais, instead of using sugar, you can use dates. Just soak the dates in little warm water or little warm milk, and just mix it and make a fine paste, and you can use it in your mithais and all. Excellent बनता है मैम. Dates का flavor भी इतना अच्छा है. Of course, there are various varieties of dates. So whatever the taste you like, you can pick it up. So that is how you can just lessen your sugar, and nothing is like that. मतलब sugar craving भी कुछ दिनों के बाद में वो बंद ही हो जाता है. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. Yeah.
And what about the coloring?
Coloring, yes. You know, तंदूर जब बनता है, तंदूरी चिकन या तंदूरी जो भी तंदूर वाले आइटम बनते हैं, उसमें वो कलर डलता ही डलता है. मतलब वो यस ऑरेंज रेड कलर डालते ही है उसमें. Instead of that, if you that Kashmiri red chili powder is having such an excellent beautiful color, right? If you use, अच्छा उसमें भी इतने additives आ गए, adulterants and additives have come in. I mean, बात करने जाओ तो घंटों बात कर सकते हैं हम इसके ऊपर. इतनी adulteration आ गया है हर चीज में. So it's authentic जगह से आप मसाले लाओ और ओरिजिनल मसाले यूज करो. मसालों को ही कलर है, आपको कलर डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आप अच्छी हल्दी लेके आओ, वायगांव की हल्दी लेके आओ. वायगांव की हल्दी में इतना करक्यूमिन है, वो कैंसर ठीक करता है. उसमें इतना सुंदर फ्लेवर भी है और कलर भी है. कश्मीरी रेड चिलीज, they give excellent color. If you want to give some little bit dark red and color, you can use beetroot instead. इतने सारे मतलब कलर्स तो इतने हैं मैम कि मैं आपको क्या बताऊं. You need to experiment things. वो एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करके ही आपको पता चलता है. ग्रीन के लिए ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन यूज मेथी, यू कैन यूज पालक, यू कैन यूज कोरिएंडर, यू कैन यूज मिंट, ग्रीन चिलीज, ये सब आप यूज कर सकते हो. रिसेंटली लाइक एट माय होम, घर का ही मैं एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. हमारा मतलब स्टेपल डाइट रात का दाल चावल या खिचड़ी ऐसे ही बनेगा खाने में. सो ऑफ कोर्स वही वही खा के तो सब बोर हो जाते हैं. तो माय सन सेड दैट मम्मी व्हाई डोंट यू प्रिपेयर समथिंग एल्स. बोर होता है तो ऐसा राइस ही तो खाना है, व्हाई नॉट टू प्रिपेयर इन अ डिफरेंट वे. सो आई जस्ट मेड अ ग्रीन चटनी. I used whatever the leftover palak was there, the mint and the coriander, green chili, and I added a little bit of fresh spices, and I made a paste and I cooked rice with it. It came to be excellent. I just put some nuts into it. इतना टेस्टी बना वो कि कड़ी रायता किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी उसके लिए.
Complete. हाँ.
Yes, वो मतलब ऐसे ही अच्छा लग रहा था. So that is how you can use colors. Yes, you have to be innovative. इनोवेशन,
हाँ.
इनोवेटिव क्रिएटिविटी ये बहुत जरूरी है रेगुलर चीजों से ज्यादा.
Tell us about some of your experiences with food, experiments and experiences with food that you're very proud of.
Well, just what I told you about that we have started using millets,
Hmm.
and that was quite challenging for me because like I used to my me and my mother-in-law we used to have bhakar, जवार की रोटी जो कहते हैं वो हम लोग खा लेते थे, बट चैलेंज वाज माय हस्बैंड एंड माय सन.
Hmm.
But I made it in a such a way that it feels like soft chapati now. Like मतलब नॉर्मल गर्म पानी डाल के जो हम ज्वार का आटा गूंथते हैं
Hmm.
उसको बहुत मलना भी पड़ता है और बहुत पेशेंस और उससे वो ज्वार की रोटी बनती है तब जाके वो स्वाद आती है.
Hmm.
बट हमारे पास में तो टाइम है नहीं, हमको तो सुबह
Right.
जल्दी भागना पड़ता है
Hmm.
और हमको मिलेट्स भी खाने हैं, मुझे मिलेट्स खिलाना भी है. तो आई प्रिपेयर इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे.
Hmm.
मतलब वो जितना ज्वार का आटा लिया उतना ही पानी लिया,
Hmm.
पानी को गर्म किया, थोड़ा सा उसमें 2-3 ड्रॉप घी डाला, उसमें आटा डाल दिया और उसको गूंद के रख दिया.
Hmm.
2 मिनट में चपाती जैसी आप रोटी बेल सकते, 2 मिनट में. यस. एंड इन लोगों को पसंद आ गया
Hmm.
तो अच्छा है. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ माय चैलेंज. देन अब ब्रेड तो खानी है,
Hmm. Hmm.
केक भी खाना है, लेकिन मैदा तो खाना नहीं है.
Right.
Then that is how I started making this few times. I means like उसमें मुझे कभी लेवनिंग कम हुआ, कभी रेजिंग कम हुआ. Then I experimented कि अरे इसकी जगह ये डाल के देखूंगी तो शायद अच्छा बन जाएगा, क्वांटिटीज कम ज्यादा की.
Hmm.
And that is how I made it. And I would like to share one thing, like in 2020 at the time of COVID and all,
Hmm.
everybody started using the making food at home, right? So हम तो वैसे ही बनाते ही थे घर में. माय सन कबीर उसने मुझे एक रेसिपी बुक बना के दी कि मम्मा आप जो भी बनाते हो ना वो इसमें लिखा करो.
Hmm.
नॉट द रेगुलर स्टफ, समथिंग डिफरेंट. जो भी आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हो जस्ट पुट इट डाउन. सो आई नाउ हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ इट, लाइक आओ और उसमें लिख दो.
Hmm.
और कभी कभी अगर बहुत टायर्ड हो गई लिख नहीं पाती हूँ तो मैं एक वॉइस नोट डाल देती हूँ खुद को ही, और दूसरे दिन आई मेक इट श्योर दैट आई पुट इट इनटू माय रेसिपी बुक.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yes, yeah. That is how you need to keep on means practicing things.
Hmm.
और जो चीज क्लिक हो जाती है, जो चीज सही बन जाती है उसको हम लिख लेते हैं. This is how it's done.
It's wonderful. We hope that you'll publish that book someday.
Let's see. I'm still learning. Yeah, maybe after I retire or let me see. Let's see.
Yes.
I don't think so. अभी तो इतने जल्दी तो नहीं करूंगी उसको मैं. अभी भी बन रही है मेरी वो रेसिपी बुक बन रही है अभी. And I'm
So,
planning to have a nice kitchen garden or probably my own khet vet so that I can try the fresh vegetables and recipes somehow. Let's see.
our best wishes to you. So
Thank you.
before we close this Ek Samvad with you, Mrunalini, say something to those who are listening in from Chef Mrunalini. A message.
See, I would like to say that being a chef, and if anybody is planning to go into this profession, I would say it's really a very wonderful profession. Although lots of hardships are there. Uh, कौन से प्रोफेशन में हार्डशिप्स नहीं होती है, बट इफ people who are out there who are really having a passion for cooking and all, let me tell you that passion is good, everything is fine, but let me tell you that you need to have a social and moral responsibility towards society. That is a very very important thing. जो भी इस प्रोफेशन में जाना चाहते हैं, आपके ऊपर एक सोशल और मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है सोसाइटी के लिए. सबसे पहला तो है कि आपका जो फूड का हाइजीन जो है, ठीक है, फूड का हाइजीन आपको मेंटेन करना है. देन योर इंटीग्रिटी, फूड की इंटीग्रिटी आपको मतलब मेंटेन करनी है आपने. यू शुड नॉट क्या कहेंगे, आप किसी भी खराब खाने के ऊपर या क्वालिटी के ऊपर आप कभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना. नेवर डू दैट. Okay, you need to have that moral responsibility. You need to have that food integrity. You need to also think care about the animal welfare. Then you need to take care about the fair labor practices. You have to take care about the nutrition and health, right? Then you need to have the social responsibility that food and safety, food safety and hygiene is very, very important. Sustainability is very important. 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. You need to follow that. Means you should zero waste होना चाहिए. जो भी आप खाना बनाओ zero waste बनाओ. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने तुरई के छिलके की चटनी बनाई और वो इतनी अच्छी बनी, मतलब आपको छिलका भी फेंकने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसका भी कुछ तो भी बनाओ. Yes. So that is there, and giving back community is there. Like definitely giving back community. Food donations आपके होने चाहिए. बीच बीच में आपने चैरिटी के लिए भी खाना बनाना चाहिए. यू शुड कुक फॉर चैरिटी. ऑल्सो व्हेन स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू गेट इनटू एकेडमिक्स एंड ऑल, यू शुड शेयर. जैसे अभी आज मैम ने मुझे जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है बात करने के लिए, यू शुड डेफिनेटली एक्सचेंज योर culinary knowledge with people, and you should have a community outreach. You need to participate in local food festivals. You should support the local people, local farmers. So all these things are there. By embracing these social and moral responsibilities, chef can make a very positive impact on their communities. And if anybody is interested in getting into this profession, I really congratulate them. And but not to forget, you have a very big responsibility.
Wow. So it was such a pleasure talking to you, Mrinalini. Thank you very much for being on Ek Sambad at Arunimankuran. We wish you all
Thank
the
you.
best in all your future ventures. Thank you for being
Thank
here.
you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
It was our pleasure having you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.